I'm placing every video in the YouTube channel. Okay, try to see it and try to practice. Okay, say in the last class. In the last class, I was telling you about the character classes. Okay, D for digits. It matches any digit in between 0 to 9. And similarly, capital D, other than digit. It matches any character other than digit. Similarly, W, it matches a string. Okay, it matches a string. Capital W, other than string, other than character, it matches everything. Okay, similarly, S is for space. Okay, we did examples for them also. All these are known as character classes. It's a class, it's a digit class, it's a uh, character class, it's a space class, like that. Next, here is an example. Here is an example by using the classes. Digit class can be one digit and can be multiple digits. Okay, one must be there. Okay, here also one string must be there, and there is space in between, and there is space in between. Okay, so when we give the find all, you are going to get 12 drummers, 11 pipers, 10 lords, something like this. Okay, next we can create our own character class by using the square brackets, anything if we define in this, it will be known as a character class. We can define our own character class by using this square brackets. Okay, so in this example we are trying to find out the ovals. Okay, this is the statement. If you want all the ovals, whether it may be capitals or small letters, okay, this will give you all the vowels. Similarly, if you negate that, okay, it's also known as caret symbol. We will get all consonants. We will get all consonants. So similarly, the caret will match a beginning string. Okay, here you can see here, if you want hello as a beginning character, okay, we must give caret. Similarly, if you want to find out whether it ends with hello, we can use dollar. Okay, you see here, if it ends with any string that ends with the digit. Okay. Next, we must know one more thing like dot. It matches any character. Okay. You see here, let us execute them. So I will import, first I will import RE. Okay, RE.compile. It is the second step. Next, here it must be given to a pattern. Okay, a pattern. Now, always you must prefix with raw string. Okay, R stands for raw string. Say, I want to search anything that begins with the. Okay, anything that begins with the here. Okay, so I'll close this. Now, pattern dot search. Here, I'll give some text. Uh, the king of the city. Okay, the king of the city. Okay. Now I'll close this. Now I can give group here. Okay. Please, everybody must listen. This is, we can append the group. Okay. Directly. Group will give you the matched string, the matched content. Okay. So I'll type enter. You got the, okay, the in the beginning. Okay, similarly, if you want to know whether it ends with the city, okay, it ends with a city. How to do that? How to do that? What will be the regular expression? If you want to find out the statement that ends with city, okay, please try for that. I will wait for your inputs. Please try to give the regular expression which finds the pattern ending with city. Ending with city. Please type me in the chat box. Okay, good. Pat is equal to Abhishek says. Okay, good. Okay, good, Shirisha. Here we are using here it's not ends with, okay, it's not, we must use a regular expression. We must use a regular expression. So we want to find out which ends with city. Okay, we must prefix with we must suffix with dollar. Okay, so now we got city. Okay. Now similarly, the next thing is we want to find out any string that is of three characters. We may use dot operators, three dots. Okay, we may use three dots. So pat is equal to pattern. Pat stands for pattern. Say compile. We must prefix r. Okay, here you give three dots. Okay, any string that is having three characters. You close that. Okay, you close that. Now pattern dot search. Okay, pattern dot search. Now here I'll give my friends. My friends are okay, Ram and Sam. Okay, Ram and Sam. Now here I'm using search. Then I can use group. Okay, group can be used only with search. You can see there we got my. Even this blank space is also matched with dot. Okay, so I'll write here. You see here the dot character. The dot matches a character. Anything, it matches any character. Okay, it matches anything except new line. Okay, so if you want to find out Ram and Sam, what I must do? We are having three things. So I may write please type me. Okay, you see here, if you want all many matches, we must use find all. Okay, you see here group can't be used with find all. You see all the matches my. Okay, empty space. Dot also matches empty space. Here you see fry. Okay, fri. Okay, it's three characters. Similarly end, it's also three characters. Similarly s space a. Okay, you see here s space a, three characters. Again r e space. Okay, three characters. Similarly ram. Okay, it is matching ram. And a is considered as one more. Dot also matches space. So dot an d. Okay, and space s. Okay, so here you must know. Here you must know dot matches everything. Dot matches anything. Dot matches anything. Anything. Except new line. Okay. Okay, what is new line? Can anybody type me in the chat box? What is new line? It is an escape sequence. New line. Backslash n. Backslash n. It is backslash n. It doesn't matches backslash n. Okay. Now you see in this example. Now you see in this example, we are matching anything that is having at as the end. Okay. It is of 3 characters. It may be a, it may be space, or it may be anything. It may be anything. So you see in this case, the cat in the hat sat on the flat mat. Okay. See how funny it is. The cat in the hat sat on the flat mat. Okay. So cat is of 3 characters. H is of 3 characters. This S, SAT, LAT, MAT. So it matches anything. It matches anything. Okay. Are you able to understand? Please type me in the chat box. Please type me in the chat box. Are you able to understand what is dot? Why we are using dot? Okay. Durga says good. Durga says yes. Nitish yes. Netra yes. Abhishek yes. Shweta. Ritik good. Good, Dhruti. So dot matches anything. Dot matches anything, but it's a single character. It matches only single character. Okay, that you must know. Now similarly, we may use dot star. We may use dot star. Okay, for matching everything. For matching everything. Okay. You see here, first name is AI. Last name is Swigert. Okay, so we got, see, A is the first group. Okay, this is the second group. That's why we are giving here 1. Okay, that's why we are giving here 2. Okay. Again, I told you what is greedy mode and non-greedy mode. Okay, in the greedy mode, it matches everything. Okay, you see here, to serve man for dinner. In the greedy mode, what happens? We will be prefixing with question mark. The pattern is suffixed with question mark. Okay, so it will stop until here when it matches the greater than symbol. Okay, but in non-greedy method, you see the second example, it is non-greedy method. So it will matches until the end. It will matches until the last greater than symbol. Okay, matches everything and anything. Matches everything and anything. Okay. Now, just a review of all the regular expression symbols. Okay, these are also known as wildcards. Question mark, star, okay, plus n within braces, n comma nothing within braces, nothing comma n within braces, n comma n within braces, okay, n comma m, question mark, okay, caret, spam dollar, like this. You must know all these things. Okay. Character classes, defining our own character classes and negating the character classes. Okay. Now if you see here one more thing. Now how to do case insensitive matching. Case insensitive matching. So you can see here Robocop, R is capital, C is capital. If you see in the second example, all are capitals. If you see in the third example, only O is capital. Similarly, if you see in this example, this O is capital. Say if you want to ignore those things, the case sensitivity, we will be using one more argument known as REI. Okay, REI. Okay, R stands for regular expression, I stands for ignore case. I stands for ignore case. Please type me this one in, every one of you in the chat box, for ignoring the case sensitivity. Please type me in the chat box. Good. RE capital I. Okay, good, good, every one of you. You see here, we are ignoring everything. See here, Robocop. Whether R may be capital or R may be small letter, it doesn't matter. Whether O may be capital, O may be small letters, B may be capital, B may be small letters. Okay, whatever the thing, it will be matched by using ignore all, ignore. So you see in this example, Robocop, it will be matched. It will be matched. We got the output as Robocop here. Okay, similarly, all the things are capitals. It is matched. Similarly, here you see all are small letters, but it is matched. Okay, so we can do by ignore case. Say we'll be doing one more example. Say os dot, say I'll be using I'll be clearing the screen now. I'll be using one more example. Re dot compile. Say I'll take p for pattern, re dot compile, compile R. Okay, now I want to find out Shih Tzu. Okay, Shih Tzu, what it is, any one of you? What it is? Dog breed. Good, Nitish. Say Shih Tzu. Okay, say here I'll give re dot ignore case, re dot I. It is capitals. You type enter. Okay, say I want this one to, if I give as small letters, if I give I as small letters, you see here attribute error, we will get attribute error. Okay, please type me attribute error, every one of you, in the chat box. I will wait for your inputs. Just attribute error. Okay, good, Durga Devi. I will wait for everybody's input. 22 people are there. I will wait for all the 22 people to be entered. Attribute error. Okay, good. Good, Nitish. Good, Kavya. Good, Priyanka. Good, Ritvik. Good, Aziz. Good, Shweta. Okay. Good, Shirisha. Good, Divya. Okay, good, Netra. You see here? Okay. It must be capitals. It says ignore. Ignore the cases. Case sensitivity. Okay. So I'll type this now. P dot search. Okay. P dot search. Now I'll give I like Shih Tzu. Okay. Shih Tzu. Okay. I'll close this. Now I'll type group here. Okay. You can add a group function to it. You see here we got it is matched. Okay. Here we have defined capital S. Here it is small s, but it is matching. Okay. Say I'll add one more statement. I like Shih Tzu. Now it is Shih Tzu is from Tibet. Okay, is from Tibet. Okay. Now, is it right? There are multiple things are there. Multiple Shih Tzus are there. So you can write find all. Okay. Now, is there any error in this statement? You see there? I'm highlighting. You tell me whether error is there. Say yes or no. Group. Good. Group is the error. See here. Group. It will. We should not use. Sorry. Say find all. Group should not be used with find all. Okay. Because it will be having multiple groups. Okay. So I'll type enter. We got, you see here, two times Shih Tzu has been repeated. Shih Tzu has been repeated 2 times. Okay. Now I'll show you one more thing. Say I want to substitute. I want to substitute Shih Tzu with with dog with dog. This can be achieved like this. You comma. It is as the first argument. It is as the first argument. Okay. You see here, wherever Shih Tzu is there, wherever Shih Tzu is there, that will be replaced with dog. Okay. I'll type enter. I'll type enter. You see here, I like dog. Dog is from Tibet. Okay. I like dog. Dog is from Tibet. Okay. So what is the method name? Please type me the method name. Which substitutes? SUB stands for substitutes. Please type in the chat box. Substitute. The method substitute. Good. P dot sub. Good. Good, Nitish. Very good. You see here, substituting strings with sub method. With sub method. Say we are using here. We are using a regular expression for agent. Okay. After agent, we may have any number of characters. Any number of characters. Okay. Now you see here substituting. We are substituting censored. We don't want agent to be identified. So we are giving that agent is replaced with censored. You see here agent allies. We don't want the name of allies. Okay. So that will be replaced with censored. Similarly, agent Bob. Agent Bob. That needs to be replaced with censored. That needs to be replaced with censored. Okay. This is the example. This is the example. As we did previously, the dog is replaced with Shih Tzu. Okay. Now, similarly, you see the next example. In this example, we are using agent. Okay. After agent, we may be having multiple number of characters. Now, we want to substitute stars. We want to substitute stars except the first character. Okay. Now, you see here, wherever agent is there, that will be replaced with characters. You see in the output here. Okay, that is replaced with the character asterisks. That is replaced with asterisks. That is replaced with asterisks. Okay, that is replaced with asterisks. Okay, we are just substituting. We are just substituting. Okay, now. I'll give one more example. Just I'll clear the screen. I'll clear the screen. Say re dot, say p is equal to re dot compile, say r. Okay. This time I'll take country. I'll take country. Okay. Now I'll type enter. P dot find all. Okay. Not find all. I'll go with substitute. Okay. Always the first argument must be the string whatever we want to replace. Okay. India. I want to replace that one with India. Okay. Now close that. Now you give the string whatever we want to search, or you give the text. Here it must be text. Here it must be text. Second argument must be text. Say I love my country. I love my country. Okay. Say I'll close this. Just this time I'll type enter. Okay. Now I want to replace this country with India. What I need to do? What I must do the changes in the expression. Please type in the chat box. Okay, good Abhishek, good Nitish. Okay, just you need to add. Okay, I'll go here. It must be the second argument. Re dot I. I'll type enter. Okay. Now this time I'll try to do that. You see here, I love my India. I love my India. It has been, country has been replaced with India. Okay, that's about the substitute. That's about the substitute. Okay, now the next concept is complex regular expressions. Complex regular expressions. Okay, it is very hard to read. If you see this expression, this matches a phone number, this matches a phone number which is very of complexity, we can't understand. Okay, if you want to make this expression as readable, we are using one more argument known as Re dot verbose. Okay, please type me this in the chat box. Re dot verbose. I'll wait for everybody's input. Verbose must be capitals. Verbose must be capitals. Please type me. Good. Abhishek, every one of you. Bindu, Divya, Shirisha, Durga. I'll wait for everybody's input. Aziz, good. Divya, Ritvik, good Ritvik, good Shushma, good Nitish, good Davya, good Kavya, good Priyanka. Dhruti, Durga, Shweta, good. How about others? Shirisha, good. Lavanya, how about Lavanya? Did you type? Please respond me, Lavanya. Okay. See, the next argument is verbose. Okay, you see here, I'm defining a regular expression. I'm defining a regular expression which is expanded in multiple lines. It is spread over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. Okay, it is spanned, or it is in 7 lines. Okay, it is distributed in 7 lines. Even it has comments also. We have inserted comments. Okay, this part will give you area code. This part will give you the separator. Okay, this part will give you the 3 digits. Okay, this part is the separator again, and this is the last 4 digits of the phone number. Okay, and this is the extension. This is the extension. You see here, when we analyze this, it may be a collection of three digits, or we may have many digits. Okay, or it may be placed in brackets. All the digits may be placed in brackets. We are using escape sequence. Okay, it is area code. Similarly, S stands for space, H stands for blank space, or it may be hyphen, or it may be any other character. Okay, some countries use other character as the separator. Okay, similarly, the first 3 digits, similarly the separator. Okay, after the second part, we'll be having the separator. A separator may be space, hyphen, or dot. Okay, similarly, the last number may be of 4 digits. Okay, whenever a regular expression is like this, which is spread in multiple lines, we can ignore, we can use verbose. Verbose allows you to insert comments, spaces, new lines in the regular expressions. Okay, that's what the verbose do. See here, explanation. It allows you the symbols hash, okay, extra spaces, or new lines, everything together. Okay, now similarly, you see in this example, we can combine all these arguments by using or symbol, Okay, there is one more argument, dot all. Okay, dot all, it will matches even the new line characters also. Dot all will match the new line characters also. Okay, you see here, I'm ignoring the case, and I'm matching even all the spaces also. See here, in this example, the expression is very big. We are excluding the special symbols also. Okay, this can be done by yourself. Okay, try to practice. Many examples are there in the textbook. Try to practice by yourself. Okay, now the next concept is the project. Okay, there is a project in your textbook. Which the name of the project is phone number and email address extractor. Okay, from the clipboard. from the clipboard. Okay, I told you clipboard is a space where we can type the text. Clipboard is a place where we are typing the text. We can use the text in any part of the program. In the entire program, wherever we want, we can use that the data which is present in clipboard. Okay. Now, in the clipboard, we'll be having phone numbers. In the clipboard, we may be having phone numbers. Okay. Phone numbers, we may be having phone numbers like this, we may be having emails like this. Okay, now how to extract this, okay, that's what we are doing in this project. So for that there are some steps. First, we need to create a regular expression for phone numbers. Okay, it's of a big it's a very big one. We are using verbose here, we are using verbose. First part is to extract the phone numbers. Okay, similarly, create a regular expression for email. Okay, create a regular expression for email. So this will be the regular expression for email. You see here, it is expanded in 3 lines. Okay, that's why we are giving here triple quotes. Then you see here, email may be having small letters, capitals, digits. Okay, even these symbols. Okay, now this, it must be separated by ampersand. It will be separated by ampersand. After that, we'll be having the domain name. Okay, can you give me examples for domain name in the email? Please type me domain names. Example for domain names. Okay, Gmail, Yahoo, good. Your example may be like this. The company names will be the examples. The company names will be the examples. Okay, if you see here, it may be like this: .in, .ac.in. Okay, academics India. Okay, ac.in. It may be like this. It may be like this: academics India. Okay, vtu.ac.in. Like this. It is domain name. It is domain name. Similarly, our college is having our own domain name, like City Engineering College. City Engineering College. Okay, City Engineering College .ac.in. Okay, our website comes in academics. Okay, similarly, we need to use verbose because we need to ignore these comments. Okay, since it is a big regular expression, we need to insert the comments. It is username, it is domain name, it is dot something. Okay, like this. So this is the second step. The next step is finding matches in clipboard text. We need to extract the text from clipboard and we need to find the matches. Next, we need to copy that one to the another clipboard. Okay, like that. You see here, finding the matches in the clipboard. You see here, we are pasting, we are importing paperclip and re. Then we are pasting entire thing into text. Okay, now we have taken one more empty list. All the matched strings will be grouped. We are grouping emails, we are grouping phone numbers, and everything will be joined. Okay, and everything will be joined. Okay, and we are printing that. The fourth step is printing to the clipboard again, from one part of the clipboard to the another part of the clipboard. Clipboard will be having all the data. Okay, initial clipboard will be having all the data. Here we are copying only email sign. In this part we are copying only, appending only email signed phone numbers. Okay, this is what we are doing here. Okay, did you understand? Please type me. Did you understand what I said? The project, email extraction, phone number extraction from clipboard. Clipboard will be having all the data. Are you able to understand? Please type me. Say yes or no. I'll wait for your inputs, every one of you. Project, did you understand the project? Okay, Nitish, yes. Shirisha is okay. It's very easy. Copy down the code and try to execute. Try to execute in the PyCharm or try to execute in the Anaconda. Okay. This is about the project. Now the next concept is reading and writing files. Reading and writing files. Okay. Now, what is a file? What is a file? Can you give me example for files? File is a collection of data. File is collection of data. Okay. File is collection of data. So how the Python will handle the files? That's what you are going to learn in this concept. Okay, reading and writing files. Now we need to know one more module known as OS, operating system. Import OS. Okay, we are using one method, get current working directory. It gives you the directory where we are working. Okay, directory. What is directory? Anyone of you? Please type me in the chat box. What is directory? What is directory? Okay, you see here, it's a collection of files. Directory is nothing but collection of files. Collection of files. Okay, they are also known as folders. They are also known as folders. Okay, just I'll try to open this. You see here, all these yellow colored things. All these yellow colored things are folders. Okay, yellow colored things are folders. They are also known as directories. These things are files. These things are files. Okay, these things are files. Okay, these yellow colored things are directories. So operating system will handle all these things. Now you see here, if you want to know what is the current working directory, we can use os.getcwd. Okay, I'll type here get cwd. Okay, everybody must type this brackets after get current working directory. It stands for, if you expand that, get current working directory. Okay, that is the meaning here. I'll show you. Say I'll import OS. Now OS dot get cwd. Okay, get cwd and type enter. You see here we are in the C drive. Okay, users Rameshana. Okay, and my sample. My sample is the directory where I am here. Okay, say I'll show where we are. I'll go to the. You see here, this is C drive. This is C drive. In the C drive, we are in the users. Okay, in the users, again, one more subdirectory, Rameshana here and here. In the Rameshana, what is the name? My sample. Okay. I have created one more directory, my sample. Okay, you see here, this is my sample. We are in this directory now. Okay. Now, if I want to come back, if you want to change, we are having one more command. Okay. You see in this example, the current working directory is Python 34. If you want to change the directory, we are using chdir, stands for change directory. We are moving to Windows system 32. Okay, we can change that. Changing the current working directory. Okay. Now, even we can create a new directory. By using make directories. Okay. So I'll copy this. No, say I want to create one more directory. So what is the command to create the directory? Please type me in the chat box for creating a new directory. You see here, make directories. Please type me, every one of you. Make directory. I want to create, instead of my sample one. Okay, I want to create one more subdirectory, my sample one, in this path. So how to do that? Make directory. Okay, so I'll use make directory. Make directory. We must copy the entire path. We must copy the entire path. Just I'll come from here to here. I'll copy this. Within the brackets, we must write quotes. We must give quotes. We must paste. Okay. Then here it must be my sample one. Okay, or just now folder. Just now folder. Okay. Just now folder. I'll type enter. I'll type enter. Say it is make directories. I'll type enter. It is created. It is created. So if you want to check whether it has been created or not, so go to this this subdirectory here. You see here, just now folder. Just now folder. Just now I have created now just now folder. It is the one which has been created. Okay. Are you able to understand? Please type me in the chat box. Everybody type all the three methods. Okay. I'll wait for your inputs. 3 methods. Method one is get current working directory, change directory. Next is change directory, change directory, and make directories. Make directories. Everybody type all these 3 things. Please type me. Okay, get current working directory, get current working directory, change directory, make directories. Okay, good Vaishnavi. Okay, good every one of you. Good Netra. Okay. Say, I think we can stop here. Please don't quit. Just I want to say a few things. This regular expression is a very complex topic. Please try to practice many things in the regular expressions. I may be not able to cover all the things, but you must practice. That is the first thing. The second thing is try to practice. Okay, that is the second thing. Now just I'll revise whatever we have learned. Okay, just you learned the things like ignore case. Okay, then dot all, similarly verbose, and a project, and the commands like the methods like get current working directory, change directory, make directories. Okay, even you learned substitute. Okay, try to revise every day. Okay, thank you every one of you. We can stop here. Everybody write the assignments and try to submit within time. Okay, must and should practice the project. Okay, thank you every one of you. Thank you Aziz, thank you.